Hi, Robert Beauchamp for the imaging training. Today we're going to be going over how to create a macro within the software. A macro in layman's terms is just being able to program a sequence of steps in a one-click fashion. What we've done here is when we have created these customized buttons for different imaging technologies that we plug into the software. This is an example of a macro that we've created to launch a specific hardware that we have integrated. So how do we do a macro? You click on the options. We click on the macro. It opens up our window. And here we can see the macros that we've created. Okay. If we want to create a new one, we click on the add. It will open up another window that allows us to create our macro. So we can assign an F button on the keyboard. If we hit the F6 and we click system wide, that'll mean that across the whole network on every keyboard, the F6 will launch whatever macro we're going to program. You can put a name to your macro. We can create a button within our toolbar, which is what we've done down here with these. So we're going to create a button. You can select an image for your button. When you click on this, there are a number of default buttons that we have already loaded in the software. So you can choose whichever one you'd like. And you can also click on it, highlight it, and then click select image. You can also put text above the button, any word you'd like, in any font you might like, color and font size. You can choose. And then what you would do is now save. Once you've saved that information, you have to record what the macro will do. So in the case where we would be adding another piece of hardware to the CADI integration to harmonize multiple technologies onto one platform, you could click on the record button. It will tell you, please press Control F12 to stop the recording process. So once you click that, you go OK, exit, and now we will commence the recording. So if I wanted to automatically have this button, when I click on it, it activates a display where we go to the options, X-ray acquisition, and we might choose another hardware product such as Optimum, such as ScanX, whatever you'd like it to launch. We would click on that. It would open up and launch that technology. When we activate the X-ray, we would see this, and obviously I don't have the hardware connected here. It's just a video that I'm creating. Once you're done doing this, then you would click the Control F12 and the macro would be recorded. So now I would exit out. I would be able to now have the button here. If I wanted to move, let's say the button, we can go to Customize Toolbar. I can go down to the end where I've created this button. I can left mouse click and hold and drag it all the way to the top, and I can put it in any position that I would like. And then I can save. I could also save to all desktops, so all of my desktops will now be saved, which I'll do. And then I will exit. So now, if I did have that Vatek sensor integrated, I would click on it and it will automatically launch and go and do all the steps for choosing that technology and link with that technology and prepare to take an X-ray with this technology. So that's how you create a macro in the software. I hope you found this video helpful.